This video is provided for educational and informational purposes only. It does not provide financial or investment advice. Two people can earn the same income, live in the same city, face the same economy, yet end up with completely different financial lives. The reason is not luck, not intelligence, and not opportunity. It's the difference most people never learn to see. Welcome to FIH Neuro Mindset, where finance keeps life running, investment helps money grow, and mindset decides how well both work. Most people believe financial life is shaped by income. In reality, income is only an input. What shapes outcomes is how money flows, grows, and is treated over time. Financial life is not a single skill. It's a system made of three forces working together. Finance is not about getting rich. Finance is about keeping life stable. It controls survival mechanics, cash flow, expenses, obligations, and timing. When finance is weak, stress increases. Decisions become reactive. Even high income starts leaking. Investment is not about speed. It's about direction. Investment only works when finance already supports it. Without a base, growth tools create pressure instead of progress. This is why many people invest, yet feel unstable. Mindset decides how finance is handled and how investment is respected. Two people with the same knowledge will behave differently under stress. One pauses, the other reacts. They mix finance and investment, and they never train behavior. The result is silent imbalance. When finance is stable, investment becomes patient. When mindset is calm, decisions become consistent. This combination quietly shapes financial life without dramatic moments. Ignore the noise. Automate your savings. Diversify your investment. Review regularly. Consistency compounds quietly. No drama, just progress. This video doesn't offer shortcuts or formulas or guarantees. It offers clarity so you can recognize systems instead of chasing outcomes. Understanding finance keeps life running. Understanding investment helps money grow. Understanding mindset determines how well both work. That difference shapes financial life.
If this video changed how you see money, imagine what the next one can do. Subscribe to FIH Neuro Mindset